Okay, personal management. Payroll data. Basic pay. Now, basically, what we are trying to achieve over here is we'll be defining annual salary. Define annual salary. Okay. Wage type for annual salary. Molga. This is country grouping. Employee group. Active. And TG. Okay. Now, our employee group is okay. Personal area, personal sub area. Okay. Employee group. Okay. Create nodes. A. Transfer. Create nodes. Field for decision operation. Employee subgroup. Transfer. Delete. Employee subgroup. Now, our employee subgroup is okay. Employee subgroup. Create nodes X7, X8. Come on. Yes, it's stuck. Okay. Create nodes. return value, ASAL, and create nodes ASAL. This is for determination of salary. Okay, more, activate. Okay, okay. Let me take a snapshot. Then by group, active Benetton subgroup. Okay, then now let's make employee PA30 personal number. $200 basic pay change. No data stored in basic pay in the selected period. Okay. Zero 01 2023 change. No data stored. Create. Okay. Now what do we have to see? Overview button. This is the overview button over here. Okay. Wage types. Last time this was not working. Annual salary. This is annual salary that is showing over here that we have already assigned. Okay. So this is the field that we have actually configured right now at the back end. Okay. Now this we have configured. Now let's move on to the next one. Save a personal management, personal administration, payroll data, basic pay, define employee subgroup grouping for PCR and collective agreement provision. Okay. Country grouping is 10. Okay. Active employee group is A. Benetton. Over here, we will assign three, 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 two, two. Save. Okay. Now this is assigned. Now what is this basically? Let me just push F1. In F1, we'll get the we usually get the whole explanation of process over here. Although sometimes it's not that very clear, but okay. Our division of employee subgroups for which the same personnel calculation rules are defined for payroll accounting and evaluations and in payroll. So this is something fundamental. So the use is if we give one, it's for hourly wage earners, two for periodic payments, three is for salary class, four is for payments for public sector in Germany. Okay. Now for hourly, we have hourly wage earners, periodic payments, and salaried employees. Okay, for this hourly, we will have one, and I'll close this and F1 for this. Now, collective agreement provision. An employee subgroup grouping for collective agreement provision combines subgroups which are governed by the same valid collective agreement provision. A provision is specifically labor law regulation within the collective agreement. Okay. So salary and hourly, industrial worker hourly wages, industrial worker monthly wages. Three is salaried employee, non-pay scale employees, and public servant. So industrial workers hourly wages. So we will have 3121. Okay. Okay. Data was saved. I'll just take a snapshot. It's very important because one can actually lose track of the configuration when it goes ahead. So it's important. Okay, this is done. So these factors are important for integration with finance. So basically, it's taking care of a division of employee subgroups, and same rules are defined for payroll and evaluations of payroll. So evaluations basically, of course, whenever there's an increment or bonus or any addition that might actually happen, those will be actually counted in evaluation of payroll. Okay. Okay, now that is done. Pay conversion for basic pay, this is not required. Define a reason for change in basic pay. If you want reasons when defining pay scale conversions, then you can actually define pay scale increase or pay scale demotion or promotion or disciplinary action, whatever it may be. Okay, we can define our own reasons, and it is also showing the info types 08. Okay, and check pay scale time. Now, this is an important scenario, and we have high noon retail TG will have our own as well, which is DN. Pay scale type, save, save. Okay. Oh, I didn't take the snapshot. Okay, in-house pay scale type. So collective agreements are basically laws that are followed that we have just seen collective agreement. These are laws followed by the industry as in whole. Okay. Set a payroll period for the collective agreement provision. Fill assignment pay scale period parameter view. Come on. Pay scale area. Check pay scale type and pay scale area. Okay, high noon, pay scale area, copy as BN. Okay. So pay scale type, pay scale area, and payroll areas are different thing. Payroll area basically tells about the payment mode of the employees. So these are three things. Pay scale area is a geographical location having a certain pay scale type. So pay scale area and pay scale type basically are related. And pay scale area is an area where collective agreement is valid. Okay, so payroll area and pay scale area are different things. So we have actually pay scale area will be the physical location. Okay, so payroll area is just the mode, whether it's a check payment or cash payment, that's payroll area. Okay, that tells the mode of payment. Pay scale area is geographical location. Okay, and within space scale area, which is geographical location, we can say that this is okay. See, pay scale area is your okay. So pay scale area and pay scale type. Now pay scale type basically um, we have already defined it. Okay. Now that is end of lecture 15. We'll start with lecture 16. Payroll data, basic pay, PA 30. Okay. Uh, basic pay, change, create, annual salary, wage type. Wage type is not yet defined, but this is for best way. Another company, maybe it's not actually defined properly for this company. Anyways, let's go back to our configuration. Okay. Check assignment of pay scale structure to enterprise structure. That is the next mode. Okay, Benetton factory pay scale area is BN. BN pay scale type will be BN again. BN. Okay. Save. Save. Okay. Let me take personal area. So payroll structure is basically a combination of pay scale area, pay scale type. Okay. Okay. Determine defaults for pay scale data, employee group, create nodes, A, enter, employee subgroup X7, X8. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is sorry. Create nodes, field for decision operation, employee subgroup, transfers, otherwise deleted. Okay, create nodes X7, X8, employee subgroup. Okay. Um, Outfitters 01 and 02. Okay. Pay scale type and pay scale area. Okay. Employee subgroup. Okay. First G, employee subgroup. Create nodes, return value BN. Create nodes, return value BN. Save, save, activate, activate. Default for pay scale data. Active employee subgroup X7, X8. Okay, this is done. Go back. Payroll data, set up payroll period for collective agreement provision. Okay. Pay scale period parameter assignment. Payscale type is new entries BN. Payscale area is Denver. We've already configured it in the previous step. Pace, oh. BN grouping. Okay. Grouping is one for hourly employees and 0101 2024 31 12 999 period period parameters, and this is 03 for weekly. BN grouping will be 30101 2024, and period parameters will be 1. Weekly and monthly. Okay, save and save. I'll just take a snapshot. If an hourly relates with several decimal places. Okay. Several decimal places. View assign pay scale currency. Assign pay scale currency. Check and change view. Assign and new entries. BN grouping 1. 01.01. 2024 3112. Currency USD. We can enter multiple currency 0101 2024. If there are payments in various denominations. Okay. So we are configuring for both hourly and salaried. Okay. Oh, I didn't take the snapshot. Okay. Okay. This is good enough. Um, okay. Wage types. Now, this is the heart of HR. Okay. Create wage type catalog. Okay. Copy, continue. Okay, now this is a bit difficult. Let's take it up in the next lecture. We'll start with wage types.